Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best ways to make Robux in 2025. These are all going to be legit ways, so I'm not going to be promoting any websites or like these scam things where they're like, oh, play this game for 5 hours and then I'll give you 3 Robux. Yeah, those are all just scams, guys, so do not do those. But let me show you some legitimate ways to actually get Robux. The first great way to actually make Robux is to actually play this game called Please Donate. It's this game right here created by Hazem. So let's just join it. And basically, as you can see at the top, you can actually raise Robux and donate it. So if you go over here, you can see all these people around here has raised some Robux. You only get like, I think it's like 60 or 70% now. So that's kind of crazy, but it's still pretty decent. Like this guy has 100. Get a bunch of Robux in this game. Basically, you want to try to be relatable, maybe have something funny. You can also just beg, begging also kind of works. But I'd say to get as much as possible, what you really want to do is have a lot of these buttons. There's this guy following me. I don't know why. Okay, there, he's gone now. But basically, yeah, you have a bunch of buttons, and then there's more of a chance that people will actually donate to you. Of course, have these big buttons in case like a YouTuber finds your stand and wants to give you a lot, so make sure to have those as well. If you don't know how to set up a stand like this, I have a video on my channel about that, so I'll link that at the end of this video. Anyways, this is a great way to make Robux, and especially if you have voice chat, you are much more likely to get a lot more Robux. Anyways, that is the first way to make a bunch of Robux. The second way is to start a Roblox channel. I know that sounds hella cringe, dude, but it is real, dude. Okay, let me just show you. If I literally used to play Roblox on this channel, and I made 1,200 Robux, and I didn't even play this game. Like, I might have played it like once, and I got like 1,000 Robux in that, in like a 10-minute time period. So if you are a YouTuber, you are much more likely to get donated Robux because, people like you, they appreciate your videos, and then they'll give you something for that, There's also my YouTube friend named Hoxo. I'll leave his channel on the screen right now. Basically, he uploaded YouTube shorts for only 7 days, and he got donated like 600, 700 Robux. So just by uploading YouTube shorts, it's a lot more chances to get donated because people can see your username, and if they like your video, they'll send something to maybe be in the next YouTube short or something. So that works a lot. I think he made like 1,000 Robux in 7 days, which is low-key crazy, dude. Like, imagine if he was AFKing and Please Donate at the exact same time. Like, he'd be making bank, baby, bank. All right, guys, that is the first 2 ways. The next way to actually make Robux is to develop your own game. I know you guys have seen those videos online and on YouTube where people spend like a week making a game and they actually get like thousands of players, and then they get like 5 million Robux, which is like insane, dude. I don't know how much 5 million Robux costs IRL money, but that is like some decent money right there, bro. Decent money. Like Hazem, he's probably like super duper rich because he gets a bunch of Robux from this game just with everyone trading and stuff. So it is like insane. So if you know how to code, or if you want to learn and it's like something you're interested in, you could definitely start your own game. Something simple like maybe RNG based, or like one of those simple games where people can pay Robux to get higher and stuff. Those always work out good. Even like, and they don't take a lot of time to actually make either. Like those RNG games gonna be so for real. Those are like super easy to code. I definitely think I have zero experience in creating games, but I definitely think if I spent like all my time, I could create like one of those games in like a solid month with zero experience. So I know you guys probably could as well. So yeah, that's what I'd say. Creating games is definitely a great way to make a bunch of Robux. The next one I recommend is designing clothes. So all these people here, look at this drippy dude right here. He probably bought clothes on the Robux shop, which people sell clothes. So you can create your own clothes, and the cooler it is, the more things you offer, the more of a chance people will buy it, and then you'll get more Robux. So it is super good. Like this guy, he probably paid like 50 Robux for this. This person probably paid like 200 Robux, stuff like that, guys. So probably also paid some Robux. So if you can design clothes like this that people want to buy, then you can make a bunch of Robux, especially if you combined all the 3 other tips I have. You will be making bank, like easy, like 10,000 Robux every couple weeks. Not even gonna lie. The next thing I'd recommend is to use Roblox affiliate program. I've really like never heard of this. ChatGPT just recommended this idea, and that is like low-key genius, dude. That is low-key genius, and I don't know why my head looks up like that. Okay, but it's low-key genius. Let me show you right now. If you go to here, it says Roblox creator affiliate program. So you can basically, if you're a creator, an influencer, or in game studios, you can basically market things, and then you'll get a percentage. Of course, you'll have to sign up and stuff like that, but this is a great way to actually make some extra Robux. It basically says right here, you can earn up to 50% of spend when new users sign up via your affiliate share link and purchases Robux. So that is low-key hella good, guys. So yeah, those are some great ways to actually make Robux, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace out, baby.